sheet metal. For the roof, I gotta get an English roller. No roof on it. Chopped it out, or do English roller on it, or roll it. Or roll it too much. Cut it out today. Just got that sheet metal today. But I gotta get an English roller for it. My got a angled drill grinder, Central Chromatic from Harbor Freight. Got that today. I'll show you the other tool I got. Let me go get it. Oh damn! I put big cuts in the concrete. Let me show you what it is. Alright, hold on. Hole punch and a flange hole from Harbor Freight. There's a piece of sheet metal I bought. It was 3 by 6 and 4 inches. I got mirror compressor working on it. I got fittings for it. But I just want to show you what I did to the truck. I gotta fucking close it. English roller for it. No top on it. Chopped it off. Gotta get an English roller. Get it and then get it done. But that's how it is gonna be. Get it done. Show you guys tomorrow what I'm gonna do tomorrow. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I gotta look up on English rollers. I don't want to buy a whole kit. I want to get just the rollers, build my own, customize it. All right, vote, comment, subscribe. This is Brandon. Driver Running Shop.